It's a nice long shot of the camp. The tent, generator, gas can, lounge chair. Kind of cloudy. Today's supposed to get some rain late this afternoon, and then the wind, I guess, around 5 o'clock. So we'll see. But as you can see, there's a couple of new neighbors over there, but generally it's been thinning out. People are starting to leave, more leaving than coming in. So it won't be long. The place will be empty on April 15th. Everybody gets run off. Well, I got the new shower tent up. See how long this one lasts. Got 30-mile-an-hour winds tonight after 5, so hey, we're going to see about that. Well, it's a 2-room shower. We got about a 15 or 20-mile-an-hour wind now. It seems to be doing all right. I don't like the bottom of it part though. But we'll see. And give a little view on the inside. Took a shower this morning. Seemed to be okay, but you got to make sure that you're on some level ground or something. Got a little rattly window there. Zip it up. Got a window on each side, window on the top in the shower part. And then the floor is kind of vinyl floor with open sides, so the water is supposed to run out. But if you're not particularly on level ground, it doesn't run out so well. It runs out to the other side. There's a window on the other side, the dressing side. Now, the last video I did, I talked about the hot water on demand thing from Julco. Didn't really show that, but 50-gallon water barrel with a 12-volt pump that works really well. It pumps 1.5 gallons a minute, which is plenty enough for a shower. Most of the others are like 2.5 gallons a minute, so you know, you run out of water really fast. You have to do, you know, you do the get yourself all wet, and then you soap down, wash, and then rinse off. Shut the water off and then rinse off. Been riding around in a trailer, so the name's kind of been rubbed off on it. Like they said how much the propane it uses, but I don't remember what it was, but it wasn't very much. And it gets really hot. It'll get steaming hot, or you know, it has a thermostat on it. You can turn it down to minimum all the way up to the top, and it gets, I mean, that's really hot. I don't know what the temperature is, but it's enough to wash my clothes. And then it's got water control. Easy to keep it on high. I like all the water I can get, you know.